Hey guys, welcome back. This is 𝒒𝒊𝒏𝒅 with another tutorial from Tech for All. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can download and install and also use the Active Directory Replication Status tool of Microsoft. Let's start. First of all, we need to download the application. Open the web browser. Go to the Google search engine, and now you need to write download Microsoft Active Directory Replication Status tool. From the search results, you have to select the first search result, which belongs to Microsoft.com. Open the link, scroll down, and then click on the download button. Click on the save file to save the application and wait until the application is downloaded. After the application is downloaded, you need to copy it and paste it in your domain controller. Point to be noted that you can check the application in Windows Server, which is a domain controller, so that you can check the replication status. Now, let me log into my administrator server. Here you can see, guys, for the sake of this tutorial, I will be using Hyper-V machine. I have two domain controllers. The first one is the root domain controller and the second one is the child domain controller. Now let's log into the root domain controller and check the replication status. After you have signed into your domain controller, now you need to copy the application and paste it in the Windows server. Now the application is copied in the Windows server. All you need to do is right click on the application and select install from the right click menu. The application will be installed very easily. It might take a few seconds. After the application is installed, there will be a shortcut in your desktop by the name of AD or Active Directory Replication Status tool. All you need to do is right click on it and select Open from the right click menu. After the application is launched, you have two options. Either you want to check the replication status for the entire forest, or you want to check the replication status for your domain controller. I need to check the replication status for the entire forest. But if you want to select it for a specific domain, click on the domain and select the domain from the drop-down. I will go with the forest option and click on the Refresh Replication Status button. Here you can see, guys, that it has checked the replication status and it has returned me some errors in the USA-head office branch domain. If you expand the last sync message, it will show you the error. It says that the DSA operation is unable to proceed because of a DNS lookup failure, which means that the DNS of the child domain controller has an issue. And that's all for today, guys. If you need any help, comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Press the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will catch you very soon with another tutorial. Till then, have a nice time.